Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change business account on Instagram to go back to personal account. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then I want you to hit the lower right corner and click on your profile picture. Then when you're at your profile, I want you to hit the three straight lines on the top right. Then click on settings and privacy. When you're in settings and privacy guys, I want you to scroll down to the section for professionals. And I want to choose the first option, which is business tools and controls. When you're over here, I want you to scroll down to the bottom of the page and I want you to click on switch account type. As you can see over here, we are going to have a pop-out menu which will allow us to choose what type of account we want to switch to. Currently I have a business account, so I am allowed to switch to either personal or creator account. This is how you can switch from business account to personal on Instagram in 2024. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.